Developing now, the family of a man killed in a Paradise Valley crash is preparing to file a lawsuit against the police department, claiming the driver got preferential treatment because her dad is a city council member from Paradise Valley. But the family's attorney says there are signs that the officers look the other way at certain evidence, but police say they handled that investigation by the book. Joe Dana is live right now at the 12 News assignment desk with how both sides are now reacting. Joe.
We are waiting for the release of body cam video, which shows conversations between the council member and officers on the scene. PV police say it will show that officers didn't even know there was a potential for conflict of interest. 20-year-old Paige Dunbow of Paradise Valley was at the wheel of a Toyota Corolla on a wet, overcast Sunday afternoon in November when her car hit this man, Howard Brown, a father and business owner who later died from injuries.
We do not have answers to some fundamental questions because the young woman who was the driver of the bullet vehicle was whisked from the scene from her father, who was an elected official.
Attorney Tim Casey represents Brown's family. He claims the decision by the driver's father, Councilman Paul Dembow, to personally visit the scene compromised the investigation. Casey questions why police didn't push to conduct a sobriety test, why they didn't question Paige in detail about the crash, and why they did not ask Paige about the DUI interlock device in her car.
There are certain protocols that I understand from my consulting experts that have to be followed to determine, did she herself blow into the interlock device? How long has she been driving that?
She didn't exhibit any symptoms of alcohol or drug intoxication, and there was no evidence of that found at the scene.
PV police say officers did not have a reason to test the driver. They claim body camera video, not yet released, will show officers didn't even know the driver was the daughter of a council member.
When he arrived, the officer actually asked him, "Who are you?" He responded, "I'm Paige's father, Paul Dembow," and there was no other conversation about it.
Paul Dembow issued a statement to 12 News, which reads in part, "I'm very sorry about the Brown family loss. Because Paige is my daughter, I assume the PVPD wanted to avoid a conflict of interest, so they turned it over to Scottsdale PD for an independent investigation." And Scottsdale PD did not charge the driver of the crash. You can read more about details of the crash and the family's comments at 12news.com. Joe Dana, 12 News.